Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. Today I'm going to tell you about the best deals I grabbed over at Walmart for the week. I will walk you through how I got each of these deals. It was over $70 worth of products that I got for just over $7, so 90% savings. I will also include lots of pictures at the end of the video of items that I found on clearance while I was shopping at the store. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So glad that you're here. If y'all are not yet subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. And if you click that little notification bell, you will get a notification when I post videos. Okay, so let me talk with you about these deals. There were a few items that are freebies this week using the Ibotta app that my store didn't have, but I still want to tell you about them in case your store has them. So the first one was on these Izzy drinks. I grabbed these, where did I get them? H-E-B, I believe. Clearly I bought them somewhere, but they are not at my Walmart, but there is an offer for $3.48 back on Ibotta when you purchase these, and I believe they're priced right around $3.48, making them completely free. So check your store to see if they sell that product. There was also a Tazo tea that you could get for free after offer. I'll pop that up here on the screen, as well as a new one that popped up for Chobani Cold Brew. There is an offer on Ibotta, making it free, as well as an offer over on Shopkick that's going to make it a moneymaker for you. Now, if you are new to Ibotta, grab it using my referral code. You're going to get a $5 welcome bonus when you join. And I also have a complete tutorial that walks you through how to use all of the apps. So if I talk about Ibotta, Fetch Rewards, Shopkick, Swagbucks, my channel has a full tutorial on each of those apps, and I try to break it down to make it as simple as possible for you all. So let's talk about the deals that I did purchase. I grabbed the Purdue chicken again. This is priced at $3.47. It was still a limit of 5. I just grabbed one of them, but there's a $1.25 back, and there is another $1.25 back. So you get $2.50 back, making it just 97 cents. I also grabbed this Lipton tea. Now, I haven't tried this yet. I don't really drink tea, but my husband does. So this is priced at $1.98, and there was a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 98 cents. And this is big. It's 64 fluid ounces. So $1 for this seemed like a good price. Then I grabbed these teas here, the Brisk Lipton. Grab 5 of them. They're priced at $1 each, okay? So $5 total. When you submit your receipt to the coupons.com app, you will submit your receipt and then scan each of the products. You'll get $3 back when you purchase 5 of these, making it $2 for all 5, or just 40 cents each. Now, the deal is just a little bit cheaper, literally a penny on each cheaper, if you do the deal at Walgreens this week. And I talk about that in my Walgreens video that I posted on Sunday. We've tried these, and the lemon teas are good. Make sure you scan each of them, because not all of the Brisks were scanning in the coupons.com app as qualifying. So just make sure you scan each of them. I grabbed the lemonade, the lemon tea, and then the raspberry tea, and all of those scanned as qualifying. I then grabbed this one. So this is the Bertolli pasta sauce. Now, all of the sauces at my store were $2.12, except for the tomato basil. It was only $2. There is a $1.25 rebate on checkout 51, making these just 75 cents each, and the limit, I believe, was 5 on checkout 51 as well. Yes, I'm aware that there is a Swagbucks offer on these. The checkout 51 offer is better than the Swagbucks offer, and you cannot combine those. You're not supposed to combine checkout 51 or Swagbucks with any other rebate app. So speaking of Swagbucks, I did this deal last week. I grabbed it again this week. These mac and cheese are the Cheetos kind, are 96 cents each, but there is a Swagbucks offer for $1.50 back when you purchase 2 of these. So that makes your total cost 42 cents, or just 21 cents per box. We've yet to try these, so I can't tell you if they're any good, but it also makes for a great donation item if you're going to be making a food donation anytime soon. Swagbucks, again, full tutorial on that if you have questions. That tends to be one that people have the most trouble with, so I will link that down in the video description box for you. Other food items, I keep buying these because the offer keeps coming back. These are found up by the register. The Turtles Dark Chocolate are $1, getting 75 cents back on Ibotta, making these just 25 cents each. I have tried these and they are good. And I'm not even a big fan of turtles, but they were really good. The Oikos yogurt, it's $1.06. Now, my Ibotta offer was only for 50 cents back. I know other people had some for like 75 cents back, so check your Ibotta app. But at 50 cents back, it makes it just 56 cents for this thing of yogurt. I also grabbed 2 of the Chobani Flips yogurts. These are priced at $1.22. There is an Ibotta rebate for $1.22 back when you buy 2. So it's buy one, get one free. Or making these just 61 cents a piece. And these are really good. Well, I haven't tried the peanut butter cup one. I've tried the key lime, and the flavor of the yogurt's really good. The Herdes salsa, 76 cents a piece. There is $1 off 2 coupon that you can print from coupons.com, making them 52 cents for both of them, or just 26 cents each. Last food item that I grabbed was the Perfect Bars. These are actually found over by the yogurts in my store. Priced at $1.98, getting $1.99 back on Ibotta, making it free and a 1-cent moneymaker. So good food deals this week. Now let's talk about non-food deals. I grabbed these Finish Quantum dishwasher packs priced at $3.77. There is a $2 coupon from the October 31st inserts. So you would pay $1.77. You would get $1 back on Ibotta, making this package just 77 cents. So dishwasher detergent for a good price, as well as a laundry detergent for a good price. This all is priced at $2.97. There's a $1.25 coupon that you can print from coupons.com. I will link it for you below. And then 75 cents back on Ibotta, making it just 97 cents for this laundry detergent. I also grabbed some TheraFlu because there's a high value Shopkick offer. Now, if you're not using Shopkick yet, grab it using my referral code because you will get $5 when you sign up. Now, Shopkick is offering 1,500 kicks back for this. And with Shopkick, 250 kicks is equivalent to $1. So 1,500 divided by 250 means you would get $6 back when you purchase this product. And this product costs $6.86. Now, there is a $2 printable coupon that you can get, and I'll link it for you. So you'll pay $4.86. You'll get $6 back on Swagbucks, or on Shopkick, making it completely free and a $1.14 moneymaker. Now, when I was on the clearance aisle, like I said, I'll have pictures at the end of the video, I saw this BioSteel for $5, and when I was scrolling through my app, I saw that there was a $5 rebate for the BioSteel hydration. This was originally $23. Priced at $5, got $5 back on Ibotta, making it completely free. No idea if it's any good. It's not something I've tried before. I also grabbed, with Shopkick, I also grabbed this smaller Suave lotion at $1.83. Shopkick is giving back 525 kicks, and that's $2.10, making this completely free and a 27-cent moneymaker. Now, the last 2 deals are deals I did on Swagbucks. I've mentioned my recommendations with Swagbucks before. I always do Swagbucks offers on their own receipt. I also try to scan the receipt on a dark surface. Both of those things tend to help. Now, the next 2 rebates I'm going to tell you about, I had to request a review of my receipt because Swagbucks didn't pick it up immediately, but within 24 hours, they had already given me credit for these items. So these Arm & Hammer deodorants, the Ultra Max Active Sport, $1.88 each. You want to buy 2 of them. That's going to be $3.76, but Swagbucks is giving back $4, making them both free and a 24-cent moneymaker. Like I said, after about 24 hours is when that $4 hit my account. But I did have to request a review. It didn't pick it up automatically. I was thinking that these would be a great donation item, like put together a donation to take down to a homeless shelter or a women's shelter. I grabbed the Arid deodorant as well. The cheapest one at my store was $1.88. I know there was one that was a little bit cheaper that other people are finding. But again, it's $3.76, getting $4 back on Swagbucks, making this free and a 24-cent moneymaker. So lots of free deodorant this week. Double check your offers on Swagbucks. You always want to double check before you go and buy the items, because I would hate for you to buy something and then realize that that offer is gone. So overall for everything, it was over $70 worth of products, and I paid just over $7 for all of it. I didn't have an Ibotta bonus this week. They were holding out on me this week. So had I had a $5 Ibotta bonus, I would have only paid $2 for all of this stuff. But still, $7, not bad when I was able to grab some meat and some drinks and some yogurt, stuff that I know that we will use. So overall, a great week at Walmart. If you haven't had a chance to check out the video I did just a couple of weeks ago on We Grocery Delivery, definitely check that out, because you can score $20 in free groceries when you use my referral link. And I have had a great experience with the company so far. I've placed 3 orders, 2 have been delivered so far, but they were both excellent, and I was able to score tons of good fruits and veggies for my family. So check that out if that's something that interests you. I hope y'all have a great week.